NBC 10 News starts now.
The Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow. Will they raise interest rates again, maybe to help fight inflation? We had some inflation news today. It might be working. The housing market is actually cooling off this winter, and some are predicting lower prices soon, but not a full-fledged crash.
NBC 10's Randy Gyllenhaal digs into the data and finds that buyers now have more control.
Hi, how are you?
For 2 years now, record low rates and sky-high demand
Make yourself at home?
sparked real estate warfare, market madness.
You know there's going to be a parade of cars outside.
But in just the past few months, signs of a ceasefire.
We saw less of the craziness as far as massive bidding wars and 10 offers for every house.
Lisa Yakula sells on the main line. She says cash buyers are doing great, but the Federal Reserve hiking those rates left others on the sidelines. The Fed's goal was to cool the housing craze.
Around here, I think it did its job, but it didn't damage the market. It forces people to adjust what they're looking for slightly.
Once all the way down in the 2s, rates are now up in the 6s, increasing the cost to borrow. The Fed will meet again tomorrow, possibly to start leveling off. But the big question is, will housing get cheaper?
The prices of homes will start coming down. They'll have to.
Real estate attorney Scott Reidenbach says it's healthy. Buyers no longer have to drop inspections. Some could see lower prices.
Sellers will need to start thinking very hard about their listing prices. So I think prices will come down a little bit, maybe not as much here in the suburbs as in the city.
Redfin predicting the first price drop in a decade, dipping 5%, but supply will still remain low. There's less speculation, buyers are more conservative, some even teaming up with other people to spread the risk.
Think about 3 or 4 friends or 3 or 4 neighbors forming an LLC or a partnership to buy a property. That's becoming more and more prevalent.
It's been a wild ride.
The frothiness has subsided, which is a great thing for buyers.
Maybe balancing back to normal. On the main line, Randy Gyllenhaal, NBC 10 News.